Ready to transform your bland Looker Studio dashboards into visually stunning reports that captivate your audience. First, navigate to the Theme and Layout options on the right-hand side of your Looker Studio interface. This panel controls the overall appearance of your report. Scroll down in the Theme and Layout panel until you see the Layout section. Click on Customize. Now, expand the background section here. You'll find the option to upload an image. Make sure your image is optimized for wet use to ensure your dashboard loads quickly, while you aim for a resolution that's high enough to look good but not so large that it slows things down. Click Select an image and choose your desired background image from your computer. Ideally, your image should be visually appealing but not distracting from the data. Subtle patterns or brand-aligned colors work well. Your image is now apply. However, it might need some tweaking to fit perfectly. Under the image option, you can adjust the image size. Experiment with the image size options: Y original size, fit contain, fit cover, and fill Y to find the best fit for your image, and the overall dashboard layout. Fit contain will ensure the entire image is visible, while fit cover will fill the entire background, potentially cropping the image. And that's it. You've successfully added a custom background image to your Looker Studio dashboard, elevating its visual appeal and creating a more engaging experience for your viewers. Remember to choose images wisely to complement your data and brand.